So I have two computers. I have a desktop at home, and then I have a small laptop that has a touchscreen that my district provided for me. And I've been messing around with Teams, and one of the things that I wanted to figure out is how can I show my whiteboard on my school laptop so that I can use it because it's a touchscreen, right? So I was figuring out how can I do both things when I'm logged into the same account in Teams, and I think I figured it out. So I'm going to use my desktop as my normal like #1 account here. So as you can see, I've made like a test group in Teams, and I would highly recommend doing this because then you're not going to annoy anybody with notifications and stuff like that. So I'm going to press meet, and then I could have my audio and my visual on for this. So I'll press join. Let's see, my internet is slow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go over here and show you my school laptop. So as you can see, I'm in my regular account. I have the test Teams up, and I see that there's a meeting, so I'm gonna press join meeting. And then I'm gonna turn off the video and the microphone because I don't want that feedback and I don't want it on both. Then I'm gonna press join now. Oh, and there's the feedback anyway. So I have to figure that part out. So I'm gonna turn off my microphone on my computer. So here's the thing. If I go over to this one, I see that it's just me, and it's like, well, where's my other screen? But I think it's because I'm not showing it right now. But what I can do is I can press the share button. Sorry, share. And then we see some options on here, including this one, which is a whiteboard. So I'm gonna click that. And so now I can use this. So let me show you what the desktop says. So you see me in the corner, but you also see my whiteboard. And because I'm sharing the whiteboard, it's making that the main viewable situation here. So on both of them, you can see them. So I can write on this one. Oh, maybe I have to press the button first. And then it will show up on that one. Now, I'm not sure why it's showing up so far to the right, but let's see what happens if I do that. So there is a little bit of a lag, but I mean, I think this is gonna work out. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that I was able to log into the same account, and I was able to share my whiteboard on one, and you still see my picture. So again, this isn't like going to work for everybody. Not everybody has two computers. Not everybody has a touchscreen computer. But if you do have two computers and you do have one that's touchscreen, I think this is going to be a good idea for a whole bunch of stuff, but especially if you teach like math or something and you need to write on the board. So I just wanted to share that because I figured that out after a lot of testing, and I hope this is helpful.